This car shouldn't exist in 2026, and that's exactly why people can't stop arguing about it. A naturally aspirated V12 in this era? Yeah, let's talk. Fast intro and first impression. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Aventador, and it feels like Lamborghini looked at modern trends and said, "Nah, we're doing this our way." The stance is ridiculous, low, wide, and sharp enough to look angry while parked. It doesn't try to be friendly. It doesn't try to be efficient. And that's the point. Stick around because later I'm going to tell you why this car might be more important than it looks. Interior and driver experience. POV. You walk up. Scissor door goes up, because of course it does. You drop into the seat, not sit on it. You sit in it. Legs stretched out, steering wheel tight to your chest. Carbon fiber everywhere. Alcantara where your hands land. No unnecessary fluff. The dashboard lights up like a jet cockpit. Everything feels focused, purpose-built. This is not a touchscreen first experience. It's a driver first one. You flip the red safety cover. Press start. The V12 fires up behind your head, and instantly you know this is different. It's loud, raw, mechanical. No electric hum. No fake sound piped through speakers. Just combustion doing its thing. And before you even move, you're already asking yourself, do cars like this still have a place? Hold on to that thought. Performance and feel. Quick pause. Would you daily drive? Drop it below. All right, let's talk facts. Under the hood sits a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, pushing about 769 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 happens in roughly 2.8 seconds, and top speed is north of 217 miles per hour. But here's the thing, those numbers aren't the headline. What makes this car special is how it delivers power. Throttle response is instant, no waiting, no boost building. You press, it goes. The engine climbs through the revs with this escalating scream that feels alive, not filtered. Legally and hypothetically, the car feels planted, heavy in a good way. Steering isn't numb. You feel the road. You feel the weight transfer. And here's the curiosity hook. This car actually makes you slow down and focus because it demands respect. That's rare now. This is where opinions split hard. Some people say the Aventador is outdated, too loud, too dramatic, too impractical. And honestly, they're not wrong. This car is wide, it's thirsty, visibility isn't great, and it absolutely does not blend in. But the people who love it, they don't care. This car is for someone who wants emotion over optimization. Someone who wants every drive to feel like an event. It's not about lap times or efficiency charts. It's about connection. And that's why it hits differently. In a world of quiet, smooth, and sanitized cars, this thing feels rebellious. Final verdict, strong opinion. Here's my take, and it's going to ruffle some feathers. The 2026 Aventador isn't outdated, it's defiant. It represents the end of something we're losing fast, raw, naturally aspirated performance that puts the driver first and doesn't apologize for it. Is it perfect? No. Is it practical? Absolutely not. Is it necessary? Maybe not. But is it iconic? Without question. Cars like this remind us why we fell in love with cars in the first place, and when they're gone, we're gonna miss them way more than we think. Ending call to action. Hit like if it steals your heart. Drop a comment if it takes the crown. Subscribe for more insane car matchups.